Folks, when I say and I tell and I share all the information that comes out of One Stop Auto Sales about we can get a vehicle if we don't have it, here is an example. We have a 2018, folks. You do not have to purchase $40, $50, $60, $70,000 vehicles at a new car franchise lot. You can visit us here at 2838 Gray Highway, 2838 Gray Highway in Macon, Georgia. This is a 2018 Sierra Denali HD 2500 with the diesel, Duramax diesel, over $60,000, 20,321 miles. There are not many, if any, independent car lots in all of the state of Georgia that are prepared and willing and able to carry this type of inventory. And folks, we've got it all. We've got, of course, we have your $5,000 to $10,000 vehicles, but I'm taking special interest in making this video today to share with you guys before you make a decision that may put you upside down. Visit One Stop Auto Sales right here at Gray Highway. We're across from the water tower on the Gray Highway in Jones County. We're locally owned. All of us who work here are from the Middle Georgia area, Macon, Eatonton, Milledgeville. This is a 2500 Sierra Denali HD. Every option you can put on one: heated, cooled seats, memory seats, remote start that you actually can crank from your telephone, moonroof. This is silver with the black, well, I guess you'd call it dark charcoal or black interior. I'm gonna walk over to the other side and let you see the dash. One Stop Auto Sales in Macon, Georgia, 478-741-8009. Allison transmission, Duramax diesel, 2018 with 20,321 miles at One Stop Auto Sales. You just won't find the level of professionalism and the level of vehicles that we have here at One Stop at just any store in Georgia, if not all of the U.S. And that is a bold statement because it's true. Bose stereo system, memory seats, four-wheel drive, of course, already set up for your trailer. Trailer brakes already set up. If you want to talk about riding, like the old saying, you should ride like a Cadillac, folks, this vehicle rides better than a Cadillac. Come out and see us here at One Stop Auto Sales. Once again, Spencer Hood, 478-741-8009. Every option you can put on a Sierra Denali 2500 Duramax diesel with the Allison transmission. Remember, don't be upside down in your next vehicle. Shop One Stop.